Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to install iOS 26 in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, when you try to download and install iOS 26 and you will see an unknown error occurred that iOS 26 unable to install. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you fix your problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, scroll it down, click on general, and from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And now guys, you have to go back, scroll it down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this, go back. So now you have to click on content and privacy restrictions from screen time, and after this you need to turn it off. And now guys, you have to go back, and after going to back you have to check that again, and you need to install again that update. And if still not working all these methods, then no need to worry, you have to contact with your Apple support team and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.